Hi guys, welcome to our channel Balazo Sport. And today we have two fans from PBKS Punjab Kings, and we'll have a discussion with them. So we have Shreya tonight with us and Pratik as fans
Helping.
from Punjab. Hi Pratik. How are you guys doing?
Yeah, I'm
Good.
fine. How are you?
Good, thanks. So let's start. The first question which we are looking towards is why this name change?
Luck.
We are very used to Kings 11 Punjab, and now we have Punjab Kings.
We have tried the name for 10 years. So, luck.
Right, yeah, maybe some superstition might be there. So Punjab Kings, Shreya, what do you think we have in the who do you think we have in starting 11 this season?
I think on my list, Mayank and KL should open.
Right.
And then Malan should come in first down. Then Puran, Deepak Hooda, Henriquez, Shah Rukh Khan, Jai Richardson, Shami, and Arshdeep for me. So, there may be some changes a little bit here and there that we can play Mandeep also. Or if Shah Rukh doesn't work, then maybe Sarfaraz. But this is the first list of the name
Nice,
for
nice.
me.
Pratik, do you have any additions in this one?
Yeah, I'll change uh, Chris Gale for David Malan. I think for David Malan plays the anchor role better, so you can need a batsman who can hit the ball hard, and we all know that Chris Gale can tong the spinners for big one. And I'll also like to see Riley Meredith in place of, I think it was Moises Enriquez, because he's a good addition for the team, and I would like to see Ravi Bishnoi in the team.
Right. So both the fans have their different 11, but let's see what KL Rahul has in his bucket. So what, Pratik, what do you think who will be the MVP for Punjab this season?
I think it will be KL Rahul. He's
KL
faced
Rahul.
his criticisms, so I think he'll come back really stronger, and he has
Mhm.
to take up the responsibility as he's the captain of the team.
Agreed. But in the recent T20 series, we have seen some very slumpy performance from KL Rahul especially in the T20Is. What do you have in regards to that?
Every player
I
has a
think,
bad time. Shreya should go.
no, you continue. I'll tell
Sure,
I
both will
mean,
be given chances.
it.
every player has a bad time. We have seen that with big names like Virat Kohli, Sachin Tendulkar. So I think that won't be a big concern. We all know that KL Rahul is a really good player. He has his technique right. He knows the game very well, and now he's played a lot of international cricket. He's ranked highly in T20 international. So I don't think that would be a big concern for Punjab.
Right,
Yeah,
right.
same.
Shreya, what do you want to add in it?
Yeah, actually, the thing is that in last few IPL seasons, KL has to change his style from being he has to be an anchor batsman because of the other batsmen. But if we see Malan plays that role, then he can change his style and he can be the hitter as he was before. And Indian team also we already have anchor batsmen like be it Rohit or Kohli. So we want KL to be like making quick runs than being an anchor batsman as of now. But again, KL is a very good player. He's my favorite now. So
Right,
performance
right.
just
Yeah. And in
shows
the
him.
parallel, Mayank being there gives him this
Yes.
additional cushion, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
I
So,
agree with Shreya. I would love to see KL Rahul in attacking mode. He's
Yeah.
phenomenal when he attacks the ball from the word go.
Yeah.
right.
And so
And
there
when
that's why
he
Malan
middles
will
the
be
bat, right? When he
yeah.
middles the ball, right, it
Yeah.
flows away.
It's absolute
Yeah.
pleasure to watch scale play. It's just pleasure.
Right. So that's MVP for, I guess, both Shreya and Pratik. That KL Rahul will be the most valuable player for Punjab. So coming into the lesser known Indian players who are in the squad, who do you think will come as a uh, small packet pada dhamaka?
My hope is on us, SRK. Because he
SRK,
did
right? Yeah.
because actually he did well in Vijay Hazare. So I think
Hmm.
he's in practice and it might work. I hope so. let's see.
Right, right. What about you, Pratik? What do you think? Who
Uh,
do you think?
I think it will be Ravi Bishnoi. He's very smart. He knows his ways around. He's, we call them street smart. He knows what to do, how to get into the head of the batsman.
So now coming into the uh, team strategy, how do you see Mayank Agrawal and KL Rahul opening, and how do you think they should rotate or they should place themselves so that they can convert the matches? Last year we did see that this pair was there for many overs in their innings, and yet they were not able to convert their wins.
I think from batting perspective, KL and Mayank have hopes now because there is Puran and Malan or Chris Gayle, whoever plays, and maybe Mandeep or Huda, whoever. So I think they can play like freely a bit because before they had to play, as I said, KL had to play the anchor innings and Mayank had to do the make the runs. So there they had the pressure to create big runs. So maybe this time they might play freely and there can be more runs to chase for other team, or maybe they can achieve the run whatever they needed to do.
According to me, the strategy should be play your natural game. If you love to attack, you should start attacking. You should not try to alter your strategies too much. And I think these both have played together for a really long time, so they understand how to build a partnership together. So opening won't be a concern for Punjab. These both batsmen play really well together.
Right. So this is we talk about the opening. So let's take this to middle order. Last year, where Punjab really struggled in the middle overs, they were over dependent on their top three. This year, what do you think? Who will be their backbone in the middle order?
Actually, previous season Maxwell did not play, did not do what was needed, so that was
Correct.
the main failure. So, but still, Puran did pretty much in many matches. He did play good. So, hopes on Puran, and I think Punjab should try and Deepak Hooda a bit more because he too plays nice innings. He can give a quick runs because he did like 62 runs in 30 balls or so when he came few matches.
Mhm. Mhm.
So that might help again. So I think the middle order is bit okay. I mean, I think it's okay, but it's better than previous season. So let's hope.
Yeah. Fingers crossed.
I agree with Shreya, with Nicholas Puran and Deepak Hooda. And I think it's high time that they both take responsibility for their team because you can't depend on the top three forever. Middle order has to do something and finish the game for themselves. Also, we have Shah Rukh Khan now. Let's see what magic does he bring to the team.
Right, right.
Yes,
Even in the auction when Shah Rukh Khan was being pegged, Preeti Zinta had this little smile on her face.
let's hope the
Right.
He
smile
was
comes
surprised
again.
for everyone.
The big purse comes with their own benefits.
Yeah.
So we talked about top order, middle order. Now comes what do you think is the role of a wrist spinner in this format? You have two of them, Bisnoy and Morgan Asen. How do you think they'll use them?
I think the previous season they did good in the middle orders. They did take wicket, especially Bismay did very well
Mhm.
in the middle orders. So I think with the pace we have with Shami or Jai Sesson or Riley Medjed, whoever plays, and Arshdeep,
Mhm.
I think the if they like they can take wickets in the middle order and the last base overs, I think the pacers can help. So I think Bismay and Ashwin both can help much in middle orders.
For me, the role of wrist spinners is simple. You have to get wickets. Even if you give 40 runs and 4 wickets, you just have to go for wickets. That's it. Because in any format, you win the game when you take wickets for the team. If you don't take wickets, batsman will get set and then he will go for big runs.
A counter question here, Pratik. You said let the wrist spinner go for the runs and grab the wicket. What if you have someone as AB de Villiers, who really loves playing against the spinners, how do you think they are going to tackle him?
Actually, you have a wrong question. AB de Villiers and Virat Kohli both have a really bad record against wrist spinners. You can see
Yeah,
that in past
but
seasons.
yeah, but if they come in a situation when they have this opening partnership all settled up, AB does really go for big ones. So how do you think, like youngsters like Morgan Ashwin and Bisnoy, will they be able to like grasp him? Will keep in the wicket?
Yeah, they're playing at international level. They know what to do and what not to do, and it does not matter who is in front of them, whether it's AB de Villiers, Virat Kohli, or anybody else. They should just trust their process and do what they do best.
Yeah, since you mentioned international level, you have Mohammad Shami in your squad. What is the role of Mohammad Shami in this squad?
It's a very important role of Shami. He is the only one who can like stop other team to make runs in first 2 overs and last 2 overs. So as in the experience also matters. So Shami, as previous season or before also he played a vital role. So this season also he will play the vital role. And it might help the other pacers too, like Asdeep or Harrison or Riley, to get that motivation from him.
Right,
Shami is the most experienced bowler in the team, so he has to take the responsibility from up front, and he knows the conditions very well because he has played for so long. So he will guide other bowlers like Arshdeep or Jai Richardson, which are new to the team. And how Shami plays would be really important for Punjab's season this year.
right. So this was about the playing 11 and what is the roles of individual players in the squad. So now fan prediction time. So your team is known as RCB 2.0. You have many ex RCBN. So and this year, coincidentally, you will be playing most of your matches in Bangalore, right? So what do you think? Will this play a positive part in your game plan, or it won't affect much, and the team will perform as good as you guys hope for?
It's a positive because first thing KL and Mayank knows the ground. That's they have been like starting they are playing in Karnataka. Second, Anil Kumble is a bowling coach again, a Karnataka
Right,
player. So I think 5 matches we have in Chinnaswamy Stadium, right? So I think it will help. I think it will be very positive. And now our pitches has become a bit of batting pitch kind of rather than bowling nowadays, recent pitch I'm saying. So and we have a good hitters also. So I think it will help. I hope so. It will help.
right, right.
It's simple as that. It's heaven for batsmen and nightmare for all the bowlers. Because no matter how good you are in Chinnaswamy, you will get spanked for runs.
For sure. Right. How do you see being an ex RCB player, Chris Gale being there for you?
Yes. He also plays a positive, but Gale all depends on his fitness and everything because
Hmm.
he has age a bit. But I think we can see the venue and some matches, so we can see the oppositions and we can play Gale maybe in the Simbaswamy. It will help. It will give a positive because in RCB, what he became IPL legend only from RCB only, like what
Yeah,
however he
right.
played.
I agree. He'd love to get back to Chinnaswamy and score some big runs there.
So being Rahul being most valuable player for you guys, uh, what do you think him as a captain?
Rahul did pretty well previous season, I think. So yeah, we had some luck issues and maybe a bit like middle order situation, Maxwell not playing as well. But the captaincy was not that bad. He did pretty good, whatever he got, like, however the experience he has got. So I think it's okay. I think he's a good captain.
So that was Punjab Kings fan for us. They had their opinion. They are strongly supporting their team, and they are hoping for win this season. I hope you like the video, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and please tune in for more videos like this. Thank you. Bye, Pratik. Bye, Shreya.
Bye.